Experiencing no service on your SafeLink phone? This usually stems from three main issues: coverage gaps, SIM card problems, or temporary tower outages. SafeLink, as a lifeline program, relies on major carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. So, if you're outside their coverage area, you might lose service. First, check SafeLink's coverage map on their website or app to confirm you're in a supported area. If coverage isn't the issue, the problem might be with your SIM card not being properly activated or provisioned. Finally, towers sometimes undergo maintenance or get overloaded, causing temporary blackouts. We'll show you simple steps to troubleshoot each of these. To check coverage, use the SafeLink app for real-time 4G, 5G availability in your area. New satellite-assisted roaming via Starlink is expanding coverage in 2025, especially in rural areas. For SIM provisioning, try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset the connection. You can also use the SafeLink app to reactivate your SIM. If that fails, contact SafeLink support to verify your SIM is correctly registered with your account. For potential tower issues, a quick fix is to restart your phone. Some users have also found success with the tower reset dance, alternating between airplane mode and manually searching for a network signal through your phone's settings. If none of these work, contact SafeLink support. AI chatbots are improving response times, but be prepared for a potential 24 to 48 hour wait.